In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to your Squarespace payments. If you're setting up payments on your Squarespace website, this is an important part of the process because it allows you to receive money from customer purchases through your chosen payment provider. I'll walk you through where to find the payment settings inside Squarespace and how to get to the point where you can choose the provider that will handle your payouts. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your website, including business and commerce related options. If you're new to the platform, this section is essentially your central hub for managing how your site works behind the scenes. After opening settings, find and click on Selling. This section is specifically focused on the tools related to products, orders, payments, and other commerce features. If your site is being used for online sales, memberships, bookings, or services, this is where you'll typically manage the financial side of things. Next, click on Payments. This area is where Squarespace lets you connect the services used to process transactions from your customers. It's also the place where you'll manage how funds are collected and eventually sent to your bank account. Taking a moment to review this section carefully can help make sure your checkout experience works smoothly once your site is live. Once you're in the payment section, you'll see options to choose from Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Select the provider you want to use. This choice matters because each payment platform has its own setup process, payout schedule, supported regions, and bank account connection steps. In most cases, after selecting a provider, Squarespace will guide you through that provider's connection flow so you can link the bank account where you want to receive your deposits. As a quick tip, before you continue with the provider setup, make sure you have your business and banking information ready. That can help speed up verification and reduce interruptions during setup. It's also a good idea to confirm that the payment provider you choose is available in your country and supports the type of transactions you plan to accept. That's it for getting to the payment connection area in Squarespace. From here, you can continue with the provider's prompts to finish linking your bank account and complete your payment setup.